Hi guys, Jessica Kubasi here. In today's video, we're shooting influencer versus pro photographer. So joining me is influencer Batul Bazzi.
Hi guys, my name is Batul. I'm 22 years old. I'm a fashion blogger on Instagram. Yeah, I'm so excited.
So tell us about what kind of stuff you post on your Instagram.
I love nature shots. I normally use like flowers as props. I'm pretty basic. Nowhere near as good as you. But I'm really excited for this.
What kind of lighting do you usually use?
I love natural lighting, definitely. I love bright pictures. Like very saturated, vibrant pictures.
So the challenge today is to compare pictures between the perspective of an influencer and someone who does photography full-time, myself. So we're gonna have 2 rounds. The first round we're gonna be shooting with whatever you use. If it's an iPhone, I'm ready to do it. And then we're gonna be using my camera.
Okay, awesome.
So are you ready?
Yeah, I'm excited.
We're using your iPhone. What is it?
An iPhone XS.
I'm still on the first iPhone probably. But I'm ready. Let's go. Got your settings?
I don't know if I'm ready, but we'll see.
All right, so the location today, I saw this from afar and I thought it would work perfect with this pink outfit. I kind of tried to pick complementary colors, so we have some reds, some pink. That's gonna be against this green, and then we have the white pop of color with the flowers. So we have our model today, Anisa.
Hey guys, what's up?
So you're gonna be shot with an iPhone.
I actually take a lot of pictures of myself on my iPhone, so I feel pretty comfortable with the camera and with the iPhone.
Okay.
So I think it'll be good. I think it'll be good.
So my strategy today is basically getting a lot of landscape shots. I love portrait shots. I really want to bring out the pinks that she's wearing and reds against like the flowers and like the greenery. Oh, the lighting here is actually perfect. Yay! Do like more neck, like it's like perfect. Okay, I saw somebody do something like a photographer, flowers. Yeah, put it. Oh yeah.
Oh, you meant
look at the
model.
yeah, but look at the model coming up with ideas.
That's what I thought you were gonna say.
Yeah, I want to get like a really close-up shot. Give like a side profile type of thing. The other side. Yeah, I love that. Do you have like a preferred side? Put the flower on that side. Like tilt your head up and give like a whole side profile thing, and like put your hair all the way to the back. Yeah, I love that.
Oh my God, I am impressed, okay? Batul directs the model, gives positive reinforcement. She knows the angles, the light. She's picking out some amazing locations. She's taken all the good locations. I probably have like a picnic bench left, so we'll see what I come up with. Listen, I might shoot in all the same places as her. I don't know how this is gonna go right now, but she's doing an A+ job.
Can I steal her idea of like laying on the floor? Yeah. Okay, I want to find like where the babies! Look at the baby ducks! How freaking cute. Yes. Oh my God, wait, this will be so cute. I'm gonna put like flowers in her hair.
Oh, that's such a good idea.
Yeah, it'll be so cute. I'm gonna take this out. You literally look like a Disney princess. So cute! I love this. Open your eyes. Can you? Is it like really bright? Okay.
Yeah,
if it's really bright, play like with your hands like against like your face and stuff like that. Do like yes, perfect. I'm gonna do like
Just count to 3.
Don't open your eyes. Keep your eyes closed to this. Okay, I think I got some of these. You can sit up.
Hold on.
Thank you.
I make videos.
Oh,
Can I see you say hi to my video?
Of course. Wait,
Give a shout out.
YouTube video.
what's going on? My name is Sedeck Cheeks, aka the Cupman, aka Mr. Cups. You can go follow me at SEDCKS_CEP. Follow. Okay, bet. How do I find you guys' channel?
You will, trust me.
Okay, bet.
Yeah.
Bet. I'll see y'all later.
Bye.
I love the blue in his hair.
Yeah, it looks so good.
He could be the bonus one.
I think it was so good. She's literally such a natural. Every single pose she got spot on. I think she really did a good job on bringing my vision come to life. Yeah, I'm so excited to edit them and see how they turn out.
What? You found something?
I swear to God,
like a, what?
Someone was probably doing like wedding
What if it's like a
pictures.
burial or something?
Oh shit.
I don't usually shoot iPhone. We're gonna see how this goes. You know how people say like, oh, photography is just pressing one button? Yeah, because they're using the iPhone because it's one button. Let's have like your hand kind of like mid movement. Yeah, keep moving that hand. I bet you everyone walking by is like, this girl's taking pictures like this with for an iPhone. I feel like Batul took all the good spots and poses. I saw her, I'm like, damn, that's good, that's good, that's good. Now I'm just like, hey, can you be in the picture, sir? Can you be in the picture, sir? Can you, just for one? We'll tag you, we'll give you exposure. He clearly doesn't have internet. He doesn't want the clout. Dude, this is hard. Oh, wow, okay. Let's have you like kind of, like, yeah, like through the, like you're, like Narnia, you're going through the closet in Narnia and then, I don't know, that was terrible. Wow, amazing. I'm posting these to my Instagram right after, you know? Batul's like, I thought you were being serious. It's kind of easier, but also harder. Okay.
So it's pretty funny watching Jess shoot with an iPhone. I feel like she's struggling more just because she doesn't have all her gets and gadgets with her. So me and Jess shot at like similar spots, but it was kind of cool seeing her photography perspective from it. Like she saw some potential in places that I didn't, and I think it's so interesting.
Like I'm trying to be creative. You know how those people like shoot through the leaves and stuff? You know those like 5-minute crafts, how they like get super glue and then they make like a house? I'm trying to
No idea what you're talking about.
Me either. I usually don't know what I'm saying. Walked past me, past my phone, past my iPhone X. Man, photography's never been easier. I'm just pressing this button. Looking here. Those are great. I'm done. I'm done. Oh, wait. Now we're gonna do it.
We did it.
Yes. It was kind of fun. It was a lot less pressure than my actual camera. Okay, so that was actually a lot of fun and a lot less pressure than having my big bulky camera. The really nice thing about shooting with the iPhone is the exposure I didn't really have to worry about as much. I didn't have to change my settings. It was, look, why am I out of breath? Oh my God. And my camera weighs way more than that. So it was nice having something light. I wish my regular camera weighed that much. All right, guys, so we had Anisa change. We're gonna do the second round, which is gonna involve my professional camera. It's significantly heavier than the iPhone. And there's many buttons on this one. So if you need help, just ask. So for this round, we're gonna be using my 5D Mark IV with a 24-70 lens. This is a 2.8 lens.
I think this is gonna be my arm workout for today, so skip the gym for a good reason.
The gym is open on this channel, so we got the big camera, we have the beautiful model, and we're ready to shoot. Let's go. Make sure it's kind of like that look. Yeah, perfect. All right, so let me try one without the, we'll do flash at the end, because I do want to incorporate flash. So, all right. And you're gonna remove your lens cap, because we're all professionals here. Bring your leg out a little bit more. Yeah. Bring the other shoulder out. Yes, beautiful. If I go into this leg, just let me go. Nobody saved me. I deserve it.
I'll jump in for you.
You'll jump in?
Yeah. I'll grab the camera.
Let me slip. You guys, I'm paying off my loans. Let me slip. Great, Anisa. Good job. Great. I love those.
I'm so excited to shoot with the camera. It's gonna be so different than shooting with my iPhone. It's not just one button. I think I wanna aim towards one of these like pretty willow trees just because shooting in like an open field right now. So yeah, we'll see.
Walk towards me. Looking here. And then just keep moving. You can be like sitting down halfway.
So I look through here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, kind of like pretend like you're coming out. Oh, cool. Bring your arms closer together. Oh, I want to get like really close shots. This is so heavy. I don't know how your arms don't kill you after shooting. harder. Harder than I thought. Kind of like lean forward. Yeah.
Right away, Batul, I think she was shocked by how heavy the camera actually is. When you're using something like an iPhone to take pictures, it's very light. You don't really think twice about it, but when you're using such a big camera, it's very heavy. The lens is even heavier than the actual camera body. And then on top of that, we're putting a flash, an external flash. So it does weigh quite a bit. I think that is probably her biggest struggle right now.
Bring like your arms towards me, like play with the gloves. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
You know, as far as the direction that she's been giving, it's A+. I mean, it seems like she's been doing photography forever in that aspect. So there's definitely a difference in the thought process and the perspective, but that's why I love doing this challenge and I love inviting influencers to join me on it. So I'm sure Batul's gonna have some amazing pictures. Let's get back, let's see what Batul is up to and if she's finished.
She's amazing. I can't wait to edit these. I'm so excited.
You can edit yours.
Yeah. Yeah. Am I? I am. Okay, I definitely got the good ones. The great ones. We definitely got them.
So there's a big difference between the direction given to models for influencers versus photographers. I feel like influencers are more used to having their picture taken rather than taking pictures of other people. So they are a little bit less specific with the directions, but it was really easy to kind of like work with her and like collaborate like off of each other for ideas. But then for Jessica, obviously like being a pro photographer, she knows all the poses and she'll tell me like, do this, do this, do this, do this. So she's much more like hands-on when it comes to directing the model. But I think both approaches work really well.
All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. We would love to thank our amazing model, Anisa, for joining us today. She did such a good job, really made our job easier today.
Beautiful. You guys are the best.
And then we would love to thank Batul, the influencer, and my friend today for joining us. You did such a good job.
Thanks so much coming from you. I love
Thank you so much. I cannot wait to see what pictures you send me.
I'm so excited to edit them. Like, I'll probably send you them tonight.
I'm not gonna sleep tonight probably,
I'll
so.
send you them too.
And let us know what photos you guys like best. Leave your comments down below, and we would love to thank you guys for watching. And we gotta go because it's about to storm, so.
Really bad.
There's a storm cloud right above us, so. Did you just say got a blast?
Got a blast.
I love that. Wait, what?
No, you can see the rain over there. This is like a cute video. It's like I'll go with you.
Wow, I'm jealous.
Follow me on Instagram. I am going to be moving to New York soon to pursue modeling full-time now that I've graduated college. So follow my journey on Instagram. It's anisa.dagher, ANISA.DAGHER. That was weird.